Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be bringing you a little bit of TA on Immutable X, aka IMX. Sorry for the lack of content yesterday. Life was just playing a little hardball with me, but we're back and I should be able to be a lot more consistent with the content, at least until the baby gets home. So anyways, for those of you who don't know, maybe it's your first time viewing, I do have a newborn. He was a preemie, so he is currently still at the hospital, but he will be able to come home in the coming weeks. Yesterday my wife just got discharged from the hospital, and I had to do a lot of running around, so no content yesterday. Sorry about that, but here I am, back at it again today. So right now we are getting our levels when it comes to the weekly time frame on IMX. IMX currently is sitting right on top of support. Beautiful to see that. But if we happen to lose this level, we do have support sitting right underneath us at 71.6. So not too much downside, but on our weekly, the greatest thing I did see here, and why I'm bringing it to your attention, is because you have a low right here, a lower low in price. You had a low in your relative strength on this, higher relative strength, so weekly bullish divergence, and now the reaccumulation has started with higher lows. This is looking absolutely phenomenal on the weekly time frame, so I do believe IMX is getting geared up for a very nice rally to the upside. Let's go ahead and get the rest of our levels just to see where this thing could find some support and resistance if it does start running up. So right now, based off your weekly, if you do hold support, we could find our next move to the upside hitting about $2.49. So that would be phenomenal just using the levels. You could see yourself go up 109%. However, we're not here just to look at levels. We're here to see exactly where this thing goes. Is this an opportune time to buy in? I believe so when it comes to Immutable X. Right now, we are getting some added selling pressure, but it looks like the sellers are getting exhausted. That is beautiful to see. Absolutely beautiful. We did have a bit of bearish divergence on the weekly. That is what caused this major pullback. However, now it looks like we are in that reaccumulation phase. Beautiful. So just looking at it from this standpoint, from high to low, we'd be looking for that golden retrace. We have not even gotten the bearish 5-0 yet. So on a golden retrace, we would be looking for anywhere between 98 to 126% to the upside. That is in the bearish case. Now, on your bullish case, we could bring this Fibonacci down to the bottom where the rally started, considering this is a continuation to the upside. And now, looking at this as a first leg up, we could look at the second leg up, getting as high as $5.79. So that could equate out to Immutable X running up 383% over time. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow. I'm not going to say that. We're looking at the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame is basically indicating, hey, we should be able to hold $1.13 as support, and if we do, we could see price move all the way up to $5.79 on the next rally. So this looks really good on the weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and drop down to our daily. Now on our daily, this is where we're going to be looking for if this can start moving in the coming days and or week. So right now we do have this downtrending level of resistance we have broken out of, and then now we want to see if we have any form of bullish divergence. So what we really want to see is from this low, we have selling pressure. Now this low, and we maintained a higher price. Do we have more selling pressure? We do. So we can see that right here on the MACD. As you have this rising, you can also see the price was going up. So higher low, more selling pressure. This is a form of hidden bullish divergence on your MACD. So this is actually really good to see. This means we are set for upside on the daily. So in these uncertain times, you really do want to look at the daily and the weekly because they are much more relevant price action. Gives you a better idea of where this market could be heading. And if you see right here, we had a downtrending level of resistance. We broke out of it, tested it once, twice, We're moving away from it. We tested support one more time. This should theoretically have a chance at rallying to the upside. Right now, on a bearish case in the short term, we could see the golden retrace happen before getting a higher low, because that's really what we're looking for, is that higher low. But we could see Immutable X rally up 51%. And this is all provided Bitcoin does not dump, and this actually maintains its level at $1.13. So as long as we can maintain that level, we're good. Now let's go into the 4-hour time frame. Let's get a little bit more information. So 4-hour time frame looking pretty good also. You have a low right here, higher relative strength, about the same low. It's slightly higher. So this is very good. You can see the accumulation is happening. This is beautiful. Going into the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, you're sitting in that bearish control zone. Everything about this is pointing toward it should be able to go to the upside. Everything about it. So if it doesn't, I'm going to call market manipulation, simply put. But for your scalp traders out there, you could be seeing a very nice move in the immediate term, about 14.6%. But noted, your stop loss would still have to be below 113.9. So yeah, just keep that stop loss in mind, because likely it would have to be able to facilitate a 5% drop. So maybe we come down and we test it again, give you a much better entry. We're going to have to wait and see what the market has in store for us. Things do seem a bit confusing in the markets with the new administration in and the new regulations coming. It does seem like there's a bit of uncertainty in this market. However, once the market relaxes and figures out what they really want to do, we should see a lot of upside in this upcoming next rally, because simply put, it's not bad news that we're getting, it's just news that we've never seen before. So that's where the uncertainty starts coming in. But right now for Immutable X, for the swing trader, I would certainly be looking for 388% upside for Immutable X. This looks like an absolutely phenomenal trade setup. I will be buying into this one. I will be accumulating. I will be jumping in as much as I can. I will also be day trading and putting in all of my profits into things like this, as well as the other TA videos I have shown you. Also, let me know in the comments below, because during one of my live streams, I was a little confused. A lot of people were not utilizing leverage trading for its intended purpose, which it's to hedge against your long-term holdings. So let's just say you think the price is going to go down. That is when you put in a short, so then you can actually DCA into the project more. I can make a dedicated video to that, but let me know in the comments if you might like that information, because I didn't realize there were people who didn't do that. So that was news to me during the live stream. But also, we go live every single day, so you guys should definitely check one of those out. Go live in the evening, and yeah, join me. I take all chart requests. Tuesday, Thursday nights are the only nights where it's members only chat. That is my way of saying thank you to all the members of the channel. Also, we have a free Discord. Link is in the description down below. You can join the Discord, you can request charts, you can see everything I'm posting in there, and I try to keep everyone as up to date in this crypto market as I possibly can. But remember, I'm just one person, so you are in a group of like-minded individuals, and I've noticed now that it seems like my home life workload is getting a little bit higher, a lot of the community, they're starting to drop some information they're finding in there, so it is wonderful to see. It is a nice cohesive ecosystem. I'm not just working alone here. On top of that, if you need any exchanges that do not require KYC or a VPN to operate, you can check out the links in the description below. They are affiliated and yeah, they're partnered up with the channel. It is Buy DeFi and Weeks. Amazing sign-on bonuses, great VIP services. You also like get extra rewards while trading. It's absolutely phenomenal. Currently, Weeks is doing this: deposit $200 and get a futures trade, and you could win up to $100 in the new Trump token. So yeah, there's a lot going on all these exchanges. It is absolutely amazing. But yeah, other than that, hopefully you enjoyed the content. Hopefully you hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and I will continue doing this style of content every single day. So, provided life doesn't catch me off guard. So other than that, hopefully I see you in a live stream. I'll catch you later. Have a great day.